Alright, so I got the seats in. That one's it's a little crooked. I'm gonna have to fix that. They don't look too bad. Those are like 2005 Toyota Celica GT seats. Once I got the carpet and everything in it, I'm gonna re-dye them. They'll look pretty good. I'm gonna use this old campaign sign back here to block off the trunk. Gotta get rid of that gas smell. Got to put the back glass in. As you can see, I've been doing a lot of body work. Got that inner fender, it's just sitting there. I'm gonna have to jack it up and take the wheel off, then put that inner fender in there, and that way when I put the turbo on it, I can make sure that it clears the inner fender this time, because last time it didn't, and I took my die grinder to it, not thinking about how hard they are to find, and well, they probably wasn't that hard to find at the time, so that's what we're doing at the moment. See if we can get this inner fender in here. Maybe I won't have to take the wheel off. And I still got to tighten up the bolts, but that definitely makes the engine bay look a lot better. It does have some rust on the bolt hole area, but I'll get to that. Well, it's in there. It's bolted in there. It's not too bad. I need to find some of those clips. I guess I'll have to order some because I'm missing some on that side too. This car has a lot of not proper body bolts, so it's definitely not going to win any Pebble Beach awards, I can assure you that much. Got that catch can mounted. The thing is, this fit, I'm gonna have to get a 90-degree fitting or something. I don't know. Or I'm just gonna get rid of that thing and get a different one. Who knows? I could always use it for a catch can for my turbo setup, I suppose. But I don't know. Lots of sanding. Lots and lots of sanding. I'm getting tired of sanding. But I want to get this thing straight. It's never going to be perfect. I'm not patient enough for that. So, but this thing looks good, even sanded down. I love the stance of this car. The ride height's almost perfect. And it's super fun to drive.